Light is more than just what helps us see, it behaves in amazing ways when it hits different materials. In this video, I show you the three interesting properties of light: reflection, refraction, and transmission. First is reflection. Materials needed are flashlight, mirror, and a television. As you can see, in this experiment, I shined a flashlight towards a mirror, and the light bounced off, creating a visible reflection on the TV screen. This demonstrates the law of the reflection, which states that light reflects at the same angle it hits a surface. The clearer the surface, like the mirror, the more defined the reflection appears. Second is refraction. The materials needed are the glass of water and a coin. In this experiment, I held a coin above a filled glass of water and slowly lowered it. As I looked from the side, the coin seemed to change position or even appear distorted before it was fully submerged. This happens due to refraction, the bending of light as it moves from air into water. Light travels at different speed in different mediums, causing the coin's appearance to shape before it enters the water completely. Lastly is the transmission. Materials needed is only glass table. In this experiment, I placed a transparent materials between my feet and the camera. Light passed through the material, allowing me to see my feet and hand clearly in this called transmissions. However, some of the light is also reflected, creating a faint mirror-like image of my feet on the surface. This shows how transparent materials let light pass through while still reflecting a small amount.